here, clean face, no makeup whatsoever. I just woke up and we're gonna start applying. It's like a primer that goes on your skin, which is here. I use this one. I had it for the longest time ever. It's Revlon Photo Ready. Do you guys see it there? Okay, I'll put all the products below. So I put some of this on my face. You gotta spread it out very well because you don't want the little dry part of this thing to get a certain part of your skin. So you just spread this out. Some people use like a little brush. I found it to be better for me, more comfortable to do it like this with my fingers. So you just spread it. It's like you're putting a primer on a wall, you know what I'm saying? You're trying to cover anything possible that may make your makeup not look so smooth. So I even put it on my eyelids like that. Around my nose here because I don't know why that part of my face becomes really shiny. I know, broad day. Okay, so once you spread that out, what I do is that I use this other makeup that it's been also with me forever. Nude Air from Dior. Really good, really good. I hope you guys see it. This one has a little dropper, so if you open it like that, I don't know if you see here, but it's like, you see, it gives you drops. So I put a little drops of this all over. You start covering as much as possible. We're gonna spread this out with a brush later on. So keep going. Remember, you wanna cover as much as possible, because once you spread it out, you want this to look all smooth, all one color. Oh, by the way, mine is 20. You gotta find your color. You can go to the mall, you know, those little places that they have. I believe Sephora has a little store where they measure your skin tone and they can tell you which one you need to use. Don't I look super pretty? Now you do this with brush, whichever brush is fine. Many people buy really expensive brushes. You can do that. But I have bought this long time ago. BH Cosmetics. You can, you know, use whichever you like. If you already have one, just use that one. You just need to spread everything out. Like I said, there are many brushes out there, but you can go to Ross, Marshalls, and find, you know, a few. And also, I used to see people using this little thing to like put it on your face, you know, the other way around like that. I just found that the brush is faster, one, and it makes a better job at spreading everything out. Like the other one, I had to really put a lot of attention where I was like going like that on, because I will miss some spots and I will realize later on. So I really like the brush. I'm gonna stay with the brush, colors, everything. Now, all covered. What I do next? You can do whichever part first as you like. But I tend to always do, you know, a routine. My routine is that I use this one next. Either this one or another one called Eyebrow Drama, which I actually intended to buy that one. But the seller sent me this, so I'm trying this one. It's kind of the same, and I ended up, you know, just keeping it. You just put a little here on your eyebrow. We're trying to make all of them look the same, because sometimes you have a little space here and there that you need to fill. Like here, you know, it comes with a little brush, tiny thing. So I put it on the other side, and then I spread it with the old Eyebrow Drama that I intended to buy, because I really like the brush that they have. And once I have that, like I said, I used to have the Eyebrow Drama, which I really like. You know, I think I'm gonna buy this one again. all of these things are like super cheap, you know what I'm saying? I'm not into spending lots of money on expensive makeup. If I can get the same result from a different one, you know, not telling you to get like a $1 kind of thing, because I don't really trust those. I think L'Oreal, Maybelline, all those are really, you know, fine for what I need them for. So now I use this box, which has been with me forever, and you can buy whichever box of colors. You know, this one opens up. I'm afraid this is gonna just fall over me, but so this one is the Saks Fifth Avenue, and I don't know, I got it for the longest time. I think it's already time to renew my little makeup box. I use like a little, it's not a dark brown, it's like a little brownish thing. It's not super dark, it's just like to give some shadow, because I don't like looking super full of makeup really. I like it better when it looks more natural. So I just spread this on both of my eyelids. I do this with these little things. I don't remember where I bought this. I'll find that and I'll send you the link. Maybe, I don't know. But I don't remember. I remember that I bought a bunch of them, because I used to take good care of them, but once they're like full of like eyeshadow, I just trash them and get a new one. So now that I have this like shadow over me, I'm doing like a day kind of thing, you know, when you go out to, I don't know, supermarket and stuff like that you want to look natural, like not that all over, okay? And then I do a little dark thing underneath here. So I really like how that looks, you know, when I do this. And then it's like a little shadow under your, little line under your eyeshadow. And I end it over here with a little thing that makes your eyelashes look longer. And I'll show you which eyelashes mascara I use. I really like it. My skin is kind of like really sensitive, and with that mascara that I bought, it's from Clinique. I mix everything. Some people will look at me and be like, you're crazy, because you know, everything I use is X, Y, and Z. I go all over the place. I have Maybelline, I have Revlon, I have Dior, I have Saks Fifth Avenue, and Amazon brushes, and Clinique. You know, if it works, don't break it. Sorry. Okay, so now that all of this is done, what I do is I use another one. I need to get a new one though. So this is a mascara from Clinique. I'll put all the information down below. You better really see it, because I always hold it from there, so I kind of erase everything that it says. But you'll read there, it says Clinique. And it's a double black, or black is black. I used to buy black is black, they stopped making it. They also have brown, you know, you can buy whichever one you like. I put this, which is really good. I love it. And I just put this all over my eyelashes. And I really like the way it looks, you know. And I like that this one doesn't cause my eyes to be really itchy. Like, I will always end up at the end of the day with itchy eyes. My eyes, like, if I've been with my makeup from like 8 a.m. till 8 p.m., that's it for me. My skin cannot take it anymore. I need to remove everything. you know. So this one has helped me, but I still need at the end of the day to remove everything. By the way, I don't know what you guys use to remove your makeup, but I don't really buy anything expensive. I don't like lotions on my face or makeup. And my little secret, I remove my makeup with water, and this best thing ever. You just spread this on your hands, mix it with water as if you're just washing your face normally with a regular liquid soap, and you just go like that. Everything is gone. No tears because it's made for kids not to cry. And so fast and so furious. No, for real, it's like the best thing ever. Because it doesn't make me cry. All the other lotions that I used to buy and the little wipies, they will make my face so red. Okay, so now that's it. Eyes taken care of, and the cheeks, little here, a little there. Like I said, I really like the natural look. I don't do much of anything. And you can also use a little thinner brush to make your cheeks a little bit more sharply. See? You do like a little one here, another one here. This brush is like a triangle kind of thing. I don't know, it's weird. So it goes like that. That's what that's for. To make everything a little bit deeper. And then our lips. So I use this one, Anastasia. And this one I really like because it makes my lips look like my color, you know? It's nothing like, I'm super close to you guys though. Okay, huh? Super quick, and it stays on for most of my day. Go about your life and it stays put. And that's it. How do you guys like it?